Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin cinnamon swirl coffee cake with the cream cheese glaze. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the sugar, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, salt, and cold butter that has been cut into small cubes. And use your fingers to cut and rub the butter into the mixture until it's combined and crumbly. Then set it aside for now. To make the pumpkin cake batter, in a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, pumpkin pie spice, and cold butter that has been cut into small cubes. And use your fingers to combine them together just like we did for the crumb topping. Then add in the egg, buttermilk, pumpkin puree, make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix, and vanilla extract. And mix them together until they're just combined and you don't see any more dry flour. Do not overmix the batter. Then to make the cinnamon filling, in a small bowl, add in the brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, and melted butter, and mix them together until they're well combined. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square pan. Pour half of the pumpkin cake batter into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. Then add dollops of the cinnamon filling on top of it. Use a skewer or the back of a knife to swirl them together. Pour the rest of the pumpkin cake batter over the top. Spread it out until it's completely covering the cinnamon filling. Then sprinkle the crumb topping all over the top. Bake it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool on a cooling rack for at least 15 minutes until it's no longer hot. To make the cream cheese glaze, in a small bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and mix them together until they're combined and smooth. Then add in the powdered sugar and mix them together until they're combined. Then to make it into a glaze, add in milk 1 teaspoon at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Then drizzle the glaze all over the top of the coffee cake. And you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make pumpkin cinnamon swirl coffee cake with the cream cheese glaze. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.